Chad, I keep seeing people talking about building digital product businesses with AI, but I genuinely do not know where to start. Like, is this actually real? It is 100% real. The problem is most people are trying to figure it out by watching random videos and piecing things together. What AI Architect does is give you the entire operating system in one place. No guessing, no starting over every week. Operating system? What do you mean by that? Think about it this way. Right now, you probably have ideas, maybe even an offer, but no structure around how content leads to sales. AI Architect builds that structure for you. Content system, lead capture, DM flow, checkout, delivery. It is all mapped out step by step. Okay, but I am not super techie. Like, I do not code. I am not a video editor. Is this something I can actually execute? That is the whole point. This was designed for people who want results without needing a tech background. You are using tools like CapCut and 11 Labs. You're following a plug-and-play workflow. 30 reels in 2 to 3 hours is the target. That is the production system built right into the bundle. Wait, 30 reels in 2 to 3 hours? How is that possible? Because you stopped treating every video like a custom project. The system teaches you to batch everything. Ideation, scripts, voiceovers, visuals, editing. You are not reinventing content every time. You are duplicating a system. That is where the leverage comes from. And what about showing your face? Because honestly, that is one of my biggest hesitations. You never have to show your face. The Faceless Reel production system is built specifically for that. AI voiceovers through 11 Labs, AI-generated visuals, stock footage. Your brand voice is consistent without you ever being on camera. But if you want to show your face or even clone your image, the system supports that too. You decide how you want to show up. So walk me through what I actually get when I buy this. You get the full ebook that covers everything from offer design to a 30-day implementation roadmap. You get a step-by-step implementation plan broken into 5 phases so you always know exactly what to do next. You get the operating system with a complete tech stack, content architecture, and DM flow. You get the Faceless Reel Tools Guide and the production system. It is a complete bundle, not a single PDF you read once and forget. That sounds like a lot. Is it overwhelming to work through? That is what separates this from most things people buy. It is sequenced. Week 1, you set up your foundation. Week 2, you build your content engine. Week 3 is your lead flow and sales path. Week 4, you launch and optimize. You are never asking yourself what to do next because the roadmap tells you what kind of results can someone realistically expect. If you follow the system, you build a machine that attracts your audience, captures leads, and moves people toward a purchase while you are not even online. That is the transformation. You go from posting and hoping to having a pipeline that runs on structure. People are selling digital products, templates, mini courses. The system works for whatever your offer is. And this works even if someone is just starting out, like no audience, no product yet, especially if you are starting out. The foundation phase walks you through defining your offer, your buyer, and your brand voice before you ever post a single piece of content. That is the mistake most people make. They start posting before they know what they are building toward. AI Architect fixes that from day 1. Okay, I have to be honest. I was skeptical coming into this conversation, but the way you just laid that out, it actually makes sense. It is not just another course. It is a system. That is exactly it. You are not just learning, you are building. And once the machine is running, it keeps working. That is the whole point. Where do people go to get it? Link in bio. Everything is right there.